Hi, I'm Kevin Castaneda, and this is Kev's Mindset, where we talk everything finance, investing, mindset, and productivity. And today we're going to be talking about Tattooed Chef stock and what's going on with it, all the opportunities, just kind of everything, all the whole movement, the whole, basically everything to do with Tattooed Chef stock and what's been going on recently. So before we get into that though, I would really appreciate if you could smash that like button, as it helps push this video out into the YouTube algorithm. Also, go ahead and subscribe if you do want to watch more of my content in the future, which after this video, I'm sure you will. Anyways, go ahead and sign up with the public down below as well, and you get up to $70 of stock for your choice. So if you want some free money, you could go do that now or do it after the video. It's up to you. But now let's get straight into the video. Okay, so to start it off, I'm kind of gonna go in like a timeline basis. So in chronological form to be more specific, but I'm gonna start off by talking about their earnings dip. So after Tattooed Chef released earnings, they were short by a few $1 million, and because of this, it caused a drop to just plummet, like really plummet. It dropped to about $15 and change for a little while, and it bounced off that pretty quickly. It only sat in the 15s for a short period of time, then it hovered in the 16s for a little bit, and since then it's now up to getting close to $24, which is quite insane. It's almost like it's very insane. It's almost it is a 50% gain just in this short period of time, of 2 weeks. And now we get to this point now where it's like, okay, why did this happen so fast? Now the reason for this is because there's a movement going on saying the TTCF is very short, and now with things like GameStop and Amazon, GameStop and AMC, not Amazon, that they fly up really fast when they have a high short interest, because people pile in, especially retail investors. They buy in really quick, they try to squeeze all the shorts out, make their profits, get out, and then move on. And a lot of people are talking about how potentially Tattooed Chef's short interest may be very high, and people see that as an opportunity and see it as an opportunity to create a short squeeze and this might be a potential. And now this takes us to the point now where it's like, okay, we have a stock who fell really hard. I personally bought a decent amount on the dip. I actually started my position on Tattooed Chef on the earnings dip. So I buy in, I'm excited, I'm up like 45% at the time of this recording. And I'm looking at this and I'm like, okay, if it continues to run, what am I gonna do? And with that, I think that it takes you to an important place where it's like, okay, what am I gonna do? Like, let's say Tattooed Chef tomorrow goes to $100. I love the business. The reason I'm in the business is because I love the business. I love the potential growth. I like the market. I like everything about them. But if the valuation gets pushed up to $100 per share, am I personally going to hold? And that's kind of a dilemma that I'm in right now. And it's a good problem to have. Don't get me wrong. But I think that you should definitely try to analyze your reason for being a Tattooed Chef and your reason. And if you're actually trading, or if you're long-term, or whatever your motives are and your strategy is for buying Tattooed Chef, I would definitely review that. Make sure you're still on track with that. Make sure you feel solid about the company and everything if you're going long term. And if you're not going long term, then make sure you have an exit strategy, because you don't want to get stuck up if you don't really love the company. So also, this is not financial advice, not my financial advisor, but this is definitely what I'm doing and what I think is best and the most adequate way to handle this. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm a long-term holder. So if it does go up dramatically, like to $100, of course I'm going to sell. I'm a long-term holder, but I'm not dumb either. I know that I should take the opportunity and sell at $100. But let's say it runs up to $30. Am I going to sell? I don't think so. I don't think it's worth selling at them. Like, let's say it goes to 35. I might consider half of it or something, because from there, if it sells off there, if it peaks there, I can sell off there, and then I know it'll come back down towards normal valuation. Even if it's at $20, and I'll still get 50% less than I would have paid at $30. So with that, I think that I'm at this point where I'm like, okay, I know what to do. I'm ready for it, and we're just gonna see what happens. So I think Tattooed Chef is very interesting. I think we might still continue to fly up. Maybe we hit $30, maybe past that, or maybe we get stuck in the cycle again and we can't break that $25, $26, $27 range, and we come back down, and that is what it is. We'll see what happens. I'm definitely just very excited to see this. Honestly, I hope we dip down again so I can pick up even more Tattooed Chef. Be very excited for the opportunity once more. So we'll see see what happens. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. Also, go ahead and smash the like button if you did enjoy this video and want to help me push this video out into the YouTube algorithm. Also, go ahead and subscribe if you do want to watch more of my content in the future, which I hope you enjoyed this video enough to continue to do that. So, see you in the next one. This was Kev's Mindset. Don't forget about Public, where you get $70 the stock of your choice just for signing up.